My name is Ryan Hammett, and I own driving schools in Minnesota and Wisconsin. I've got DisplayRide cameras in about 20 of our vehicles right now. And the biggest thing it gives me is peace of mind. One of our biggest fears is definitely getting accused of something, specifically a false accusation. But I feel like having the cameras in the vehicles are a good deterrent to that, as everyone can see the cameras. People know they're being recorded when they get in. We've also used it for training purposes. It's been really helpful for that, for newer instructors. We're able to go in and see their lessons and critique how they're doing. Just the peace of mind over any accusations, whether it be from people in our vehicle or outside our vehicle, because as any business owner, you can become an easy target. And also, the other big thing is training. For training purposes, we really like being able to go in and watch new instructors, and then eventually what we want to do too with some of our more experienced instructors is use the videos from the lessons as training guides for new instructors. So there really are a lot of uses for having those having those cameras in our vehicles. We've been really happy with them and the service they provide.